Hello guys, welcome back to Zen Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Ripple XRP, and we're going to talk about XRP versus BTC, and we're also going to talk about XRP versus the dollar. Okay, we're going to start off versus a dollar, at least for the short term, because it is very important to pay attention to XRP versus BTC if you're looking to accumulate XRP and also looking to accumulate some BTC. All right, XRP is not looking great. I'm just going to summarize the video for the, in the just the first 15 seconds. It's not looking great, but it will look great in the near future. All right, but we're going to talk about the bearish momentum, and in another session I'm going to basically show you why XRP could be very bullish once we hit our target to those numbers I'm looking for, at least for the short term. Right, so hit the likes, hit the notification, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to join my public Telegram group. I got a premium group. If you're looking to upgrade to my premium group, send me a message. All right, so now let's dive into the analysis. So let's take a look at XRP versus BTC. It is quite interesting. If you understand like XRPBTC, you're most likely going to be very calm regarding the XRP price and not be panicking. So XRPBTC, we're gonna basically take a look at it. The first two layers we got of the push to the upside we got back in 2018. As you can see, back in 2018 we got two layers. Okay, the first one was like the first push we got to the upside up to like a 28,000 sats, got rejected, dropped all the way down to basically basically drop all the way down to like a 1300 sats before we pump back up to basically 22 to 24,000 sats. Right, as you can see, these two lines, okay, these two areas are pretty much a massive resistance for XRP, and we're not anywhere near like to basically pump back up. That's just clear. Right, so the second layer we got for XRP, it is like a the second layer we got for XRP is like this area we got back in 2018. We pumped back up to like just about 11,000 sats and got rejected multiple times, which is like this area, right? 11,000 sat. We could not break it back in September, October, and November 2018. I was very bullish on XRP, but if you take a look at it, it was a very aggressive resistance, and we basically dipping down all the way down to like below 2,000 sats. So now what I'm looking for from XRP, okay, we basically from swing low to swing high, the first pump we got after the bull market was started basically at 0.786. As you can see, we got another basically support at 0.786, but could not basically maintain a healthy push to the upside. Now we breaking 0.888. It's not looking great, and the way we breaking 0.888 is like we're breaking it with a descending triangle. Okay, we're breaking it with a descending triangle. And as most of you pretty much understand, like a descending triangle, if you break a descending triangle, you're basically going to be looking for a one-to-one extension to the downside, swing high to swing low, and then basically from the breakout area, you could be looking for XRP all the way down to almost, okay guys, almost like under 1,000 sats. That's extremely aggressive. If you're looking for a bearish momentum, that's very aggressive. So that's a move I'm looking for to the downside. Even though back in 2018, right, back in 2017, we get a massive support just by like a 1,400 to like a 1,100, which is basically very close to like a 800 to 900. So we could be looking for a very accumulative move from XRP within the next few weeks, few months. Okay, I don't think we're going to see any bull run from XRP in 2020. It could be 2021, but if we basically get some sideways correction in this range of 900 to 1,100 sats, we could be basically start to look for some move to the upside. But as of now, XRP is not looking very good. Could be dropping all the way down to 1,000 sats. Okay, so that's pretty clear versus BTC. So now let's take a look at it versus a dollar. Most of you guys don't trade XRP BTC. So if you take a look at XRPBTC back in October 2019, as I said it back, I said it multiple times. Okay, XRP You just want to basically pay attention to it on the macro scale. All right, do not basically trade XRP on a day-to-day basis, because it could basically give you wrong information if you just trade it every day. So as you can see, back in 2019, right, October 2019, the swear, I was like, XRP is not looking great. All right, just about this area when we got rejected by the 2-1 EMA on the 2-1-day chart. I was like, guys, we're most likely going to be dropping down from this level down to the next fib level. Okay, so if you take a look at it from 2018, 2019, 2017, 2018, we tapped just about like 360. Okay, so when we dropped down, we got support from the 2-1 EMA. First thing first, could not break it, and then we finally broke it, retraced down to like a 382. 382 was like, the pump we got from September 2018. You guys remember when we pumped like from 25 cents all the way up to 80 cents? That was like a September 2018, and we retraced down to like a 382 level. So XRP is respecting these fib levels, okay, just like BTC. So BTC, we're looking for a retracement down to 50%. XRP, we're looking for a retracement down to like a 0.618. As you can see, back in 2018, we said exactly next fib level to the downside going to be 50% pullback. And guys, you can notice 50% pullback was at 11 cents. Okay, so I was like 11 cents to 13 cents. 13 cents was the lowest price support before we pumped to the upside. So we're going to be looking for just about like 11 to 13 cents, and you guys can notice, all right, we basically capitulated all the way down to 13 cents to 11 cents. All right, so XRP is basically not doing anything as of now. It's not moving up, it's not moving down, it's just moving sideways, and it is most likely going to give us another basically strong move to the downside. All right, since XRPBTC is already bearish, I don't see XRPUSD being bullish. So the only way XRPUSD could be bullish is like BTC pumping to 20k, and then basically gonna carry the XRP price probably to like a 30 cents, 35 cents, right? But I don't see XRPUSD going up on its own, okay, when BTC is not moving up. All right, you see what I'm saying? So because XRPBTC is actually very bearish, so XRPUSD has to be bearish, okay, especially when BTC is not going anywhere within the next few months, right? So next level to pay attention to for XRP going to be, guys, it is going to be 5 cents, 0.618. That's it, guys. So at least for the short term, we're gonna need to basically retrace all the way down to 0.618, which is like a 3 to 5 cents, guys, before we can even like think about like another push to the upside. It is respecting these fib levels. I'm not even thinking about like 0.786, because 0.786 going to be like a half a penny, stuff like that. I mean, penny and a half, something like that. But I just want to focus on 3 to 5 cents area, at least for the short term, and then a break above this 2-1 EMA on the 21-day chart. That's a macro scale, guys. So you can see we cannot break this level. It was a massive basically a support back in 2018, and a massive resistance also back in 2018, and we got to be able to break it before going to the upside. All right, so if you want to take a look at it on the weekly basis, it could be more aggressive. Like if you just want to trade it on a weekly basis, you could be like, a break above this level of 21 cents, right, could be slightly bullish. We could find a push to the upside up to the weekly 100 EMA, which is also another massive resistance. So even though we're looking for like a 3 to 5 cents, we might not get it right away. So a 50% pump, 30% pump is very usual for XRP to do. So but the target I'm looking for, it is like for the next 5 to 8 months. It is not something like I'm looking for within the next couple of days or couple of weeks. Can XRP pump above 21 cents? Absolutely, it can, right? But can we break basically 30 cents within the next few weeks? It's not going to be easy, at least for the short term, especially when XRPBTC is extremely bearish, and I'm not bullish on BTC. So it means XRPUSD has to suffer within the next few weeks, few months. All right, so if you're looking to buy XRP, guys, not financial advice, the best area to be buying going to be 3 to 5 cents once again. All right, so if you enjoy the content, make sure to join basically our public Telegram group, or join my basically premium group. Subscribe, hit the likes, and basically share. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching. Happy trading.